Hello everyone, I am Akash and you are listening to Man of Own Choice. Our today's topic, which is the last topic of Friendzone series, is how to get rid of friendzone. So before moving to the answer of today's question, I want to tell you a secret of getting a quality partner. And it works for everyone. And that is, a real man knows what qualities or habit he wants in women. Why? Because he is going to invest his time, his money, his energy to build a relationship with her. So it is good for you to be choosy. And if she lacks any of the qualities or habits you want, just leave her at that particular moment without any second thought. Now I tell you what point you may consider to get rid of friendzone. First and the foremost is, be kind and walk forward. See, whenever she put you or try to put you in friendzone, it is prudent for a man to behave in kind and walk forward from the situation, because you have a long way to go in life and relationship. It helps you to build a self-esteem and help you to understand that you are a prize, and truly you are. Never ever request her to accept your relationship, otherwise you are raising a question on your manliness. And in my opinion, it will help you to walk away in feet, not on your knees. Second one is abundance thinking. The abundance thinking mindset will help you to get rid of the situation, because if you have a list of high qualities women, then it is much easier for you not to give a shit to a single woman. And it becomes easier to deal with her. Reason being, in the back of the mind, you know there are many other desirable partners who will be happy to have your attention if any one of them friendzone you. Third one, and the most important one, is we have to be very direct and specific without hiding our sexual intention. If you are assertive, then it means you are confident, you are dominant, you are responsible. Let me tell you with an example, it will help you to understand. See, when you go to an automobile showroom to buy a car and salesmen start offering and suggesting you buy, will you accept? No, definitely not. Because you are there for car. If he is unable to provide you, then you need to change the showroom rather ending up buying bike which you don't want it to. It is same in relationship. If she don't want that love equation with you and ask you to be friend with her, your response should be very clear and straight, without ambiguity or without any disrespect to her. And that is, friendship is not an option for you. Because a real man knows what he wants. If her response is in your favor, then it is cool. If it is not, then there are many chicks on the ground. So our main takeaway from today's episode are, be kind and walk forward, because a long way to go in your life. Abundance thinking mindset help you to have a quality woman around you. Be direct and specific in your points. So this is all for Friendzone series. Stay tuned for coming topics on relationship, and do check out my Insta handle, that is AlphaAK47 Male Club. This is Akash from Man of Own Choice.